Hello guys, how you doing today? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Demo Forex Trading account and also how to connect the account you've created to your MT4 and then start trading risk-free with a demo account with virtual funds. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser and then type in ftmo.com. Then wait for it to open. When you come here, you see I want to draw your attention to this part: FTMO challenge and free trial. We're going to be doing the free trial. So I already have an account with them, but the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up. So when you click on free trial, you see new user register down here. I already have an account with them, so I'm just going to sign in. If you don't have an account with them, you can just quickly use one of these three buttons here, and then you'll be able to sign up very quickly. Then as soon as you're all signed up, you sign in with your email like this, and then you come to this page where you see free trial. So the first thing you want to so you get to this part and you see the trading currency. Just go with US dollars. Risk mode, choose normal. Account balance, go with whatever you're comfortable with. Since it's a demo account, that means you're probably a developing trader, so you should go with the $10,000 account. Go with this first one and not the second one. Then since you are using MT4 in this video, then you choose the MT4 platform, the MetaTrader4 platform, instead of the MT5. Then you tick this box: I agree to the processing of personal data according to privacy policy. Untick this one, which is I want to subscribe to a newsletter. You don't need the newsletter because all you want from them is just your account details. So when you press start free trial, it's going to show you this screen, and then you're going to see account credentials. You can just pause the video and read this. So you scroll down and then you have your login here. This is the account number, and then this is the password, and then this is the server, then this is the platform. So now that you have this information, you can go ahead and minimize this page or screenshot it or copy it and paste it somewhere else. But then what you need to do is you need to go out of the browser and then go to the app, the MetaTrader4 app. I already have it here, but if you don't have it, you can go to Play Store or the App Store and then search for it, MetaTrader4, and then it's here. Then you can very easily download it with this button. This button would have showed download, but I already have it, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. So right off the bat, this is what you see when you open it. So how do you log into the demo trading account you just created, the $10,000 demo trading account you just created? You click on these three dashes here. You click on manage accounts. Then you see there are multiple accounts here already, but we're going to try to log into the FTMO demo trading account we just created. So you click on this plus button, and then you see log into an existing account. Click on that, and then they're going to say find broker. If you go back to where we came from, the server they gave us is FTMO demo, which is the same thing as the broker. The broker is the same thing as the server. So you copy this, and then you go back to this place, and then you paste it. I already have it here, but I just want to show you what it would look like if I didn't have it. Click on it, click on paste, and then you see it. Then you click on that, and then you have a space to put in your login information and your password. Remember, whenever you're trying to highlight this login box, it's on the right, not on the left. So you click on the right side of the bar instead of on the left side, because if you click on the left side, it's not going to do anything. But if you click on the right side, it will give you the menu. So you go back to the browser, you copy the login, then you paste it in the box, in the space that's created, that's provided. Go back there, you copy the password, then paste it into the space provided, and then you click on sign in. So okay, now I've successfully signed in. Some servers take longer than others to sign in, so now you have successfully signed in, and this is the account that is registered on this MetaTrader4, and this is the account that is currently running. And you see this demo tag here. This signifies that this is not a real trading account, that this is a demo account. This demo band up here, so you can go back to your quotes tab, see your list of options. You're not limited to these ones. You can have as many as you want, or as many as your broker can provide. So you can trade forex pairs, you can trade CFDs, you can trade futures, you can trade metals, you can trade gold, you can trade even crypto. You can trade crypto. Here you have Bitcoin, you have Litecoin, you have Ethereum, you have a host of others. So I hope you found this video insightful. If you want to, and you see your balance is here, you can take a random trade, and you're going to see that all right, let's take a trade. Let's just say, for the sake of what I can see, that this market is going lower, so I'm going to take a sell. You can see that we're trading live. It's trading live. Everything works. Currently in a loss, but as you can see, everything works exactly the way it's supposed to, and it works exactly the way it would work if it was a live account. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.